Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your Navy Federal card statements online, full guide step by step clearly. To back up your Navy Federal card statements online, begin by visiting the Navy Federal website. Log into your account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Accounts tab on the main menu. Select Card Account from the drop-down options. Locate the section labeled Statements or Transaction History. Click on Statements to access your card statements. Choose the specific statement period you're interested in. Once the period is selected, you will see a list of available statements. Click on the statement you want to back up. The statement will open in a new window or tab. Look for a download option, typically represented by an icon or the word download. Select the format in which you want to download the statement, such as PDF. Confirm your selection to initiate the download. The statement will be saved to your device's default download location. To ensure the statement is backed up, locate the downloaded file on your device. Consider moving the file to a specific folder for easier access in the future. Repeat this process for any additional statements as needed. For added security, consider backing up your documents to a cloud storage service. This will help ensure that your financial information is protected and easily accessible. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.